question. Who do you eat for?
What?
Who do you eat for?
What me eat for?
Who are you eating for? Kamile?
Yeah.
You see that? That means you're you're amateur. I eat for me. Have a good day.
You love her. So you see yourself with you don't see yourself with nobody else.
No, me good enough. Because when me look at my wife, she love everything what me love. She like the same food them. She like all of that. We love the same favorite movie them. We love the same juice.
So what your favorite movie then?
Me and my wife favorite movie?
No, what's your you say you been twin?
Yeah, me and come have the same movie. We like Element.
So what type of movie you like? What type of movie you watch?
The one them when the boy them in there obsessed by girl them and I kill them off and me I say babes other boy they are do it. Me know the boy them in their glasses them. Me know the glasses. You see them boy they when you see in their glasses them and they white and them red, them always obsessed and a kill. Me like when me watch them then I come life and play Blood Clot, Inspector, Gadget. When me, you see me, when them they show they're going, me and max out the thing same time and I tell babe say, see that one day in eyeglass, I am my murderer. I am the obsession boy. And yeah, me like them show there. It's something to do.
You're a good husband, man.
Yeah, we cuddle and we watch movie and we eat popcorn. That's why I'm so fat and so, but you know what I mean?
Yeah, you start put on weight, you start look like somebody.
Yeah. Because brother, one thing me I tell you, when me and come, she make me breakfast every morning. And me get
so you watch L World?
Yeah. Yeah. She make me breakfast at morning time. Walk and them thing. That brother want tea, man.
So come here and make breakfast at morning time.
Of course, my boy, I'm a tea. Me love fever grass every morning. Beers make sure it's my tea. Right now? Yeah,
so where you get fever grass in a foreign?
Brother, who the fuck do you want some? Fever grass there, man. A Jamaica this in a year. Blood clot, all out of Bravo, digestive out there.
Say if a rich girl link you right now. See? Me not, either you or African. Me think you're African in our race right now who nyam their wife more. Because African ID, you know.
African can't nyam more me.
No, African and nyam don't get place more than you. No, nyam don't get place, man. Nyam my wife more than you. You can't tell me that.
No, me nyam Kamile more.
Dog.
Brother, we just come out through the door and gone and rubbish bin and me nyam come before.
Uno your black clot. Who come talk about Uno? Mr. African are you come mix up my bomb clot name come talk about Uno. Watch it in the pretty dan. Watch what you try about Uno, you know. Mr. You African you come talk about Uno just nyam and go through the door. Who you talk about Uno?
You hear me say nyam and go through the door and me say Uno we walk through the door and me nyam come before Uno come back.
Oh what? You never done listen to your sentence, you know. You never done listen to your sentence. Watch what you saying now.
Yeah, me watch my mouth with you, know, cause you ready to create me up like dog shit, you know, me just scared about that.
What the fuck, you know?
Me never, why would I put you in a name, I never hear your name in that creation there yet.
But hear me I say you're African, you come talk about Uno walk through door. Who walk through door?
When me say
who walk through door?
Me say yo, you walk through the door and come back and me done name come.
She not coming though.
Oh, come no come?
By the time we walk through the door and come back, she not come. You're not bad, sir.
Yeah, idiot, man. You think I know me and name pussy?
Yeah, pretty damn man, I want to name pussy argument to go away. You're going. You're African, to go do that, you know.
African,
yeah.
Love name me punani, never true, you know. I love name pussy to come pussy straight. I've said a yawn in front that. Yeah, man. Pussy they clean and smell like water, like that blood clot water. Joan with mama busting and my mouth in a year. I swear. How are you then? Hero? Yo. Oh, you look like that one the last him. Alright, me done. Alright, my boss. Sorry about that one. No busting on my mouth. Yeah, joke me a bit, man. You can't run joke, you know. Can't run joke, man. Me never say busting on my mouth, era. I never did. I water, me say busting on my mouth, bad man. No, watch it now. Gone. No, more not do that. Me know you not like them freaky behavior. Why more do that? Yeah. So it's a here African say wife bossing her motor.
Yeah, man, I tell up on the live, the pretty done. Yeah, man, I tell us, dog. Yeah, man, I tell us, dog. He like them something. Yeah, man, I tell us. See, look, read the comment them. Adi man in tell her for himself. Adi man tell her. Adim. African and the man tell her. Adim.
What African yeah? African, you can't name pussy like me, no time.
Me bum buckler, pretty than gone back there, so.
African, if I that you run down African, you lose.
Yeah, man got bum buckler. Chub Thursday night party. The man said Chub I want a hookah and on the top. If you don't have no pussy on it, I don't want it.
What African name?
Dirty Prince.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Dirty blood clot Prince. See John Cryer. You can't name pussy like me, nowhere near. Nowhere near me. I name around you, bitch. How are you? African. I eat around you, pussy ass nigga. You come like the garnish. What in
African, watch out
now.
Watch out now. I two on them, African.
You can't pussy like me, African. No time. No day. Nowhere, no out.
Listen.
You're African, I say, kind of short, you know. They man are not short, you know. So we are here,
listen.
now.
First things first, right? Kamile was looking beautiful last night. Compliments.
Yo, Pretti, me not take that. Pretti, me.
It's a compliment. A compliment.
Pause. Serious that shut off your mouth. But I want to buck like this. Pretti, yo.
It's a compliment.
Yo, Pretti,
It's frozen.
Yo. Should I? Me pussy clap. Me not take that bad man. Yo, me not have nobody for me life, dog. Yo, Pretti, you hear me I say?
Oh, my phone is freeze. Where I say
Well, I
give you a compliment. No, give her a compliment.
She said, calm. The man said, calm, they look good last night. African, we hear what you say now.
African?
Stop, pretty. Your wife look amazing last night. It's a compliment.
Thank you.
You see, hero.
Because let me tell you this, my money have to show up on me. Not even one all yammed. Me now feel look good, but my wife the smell and look very fucking like.
Yes, man. Fucking idiot. Yeah, man.
All right, next question.
I'm glad.
Next question.
Yeah.
Hold on. Done. Listen, quick question. Next question, because I gotta go. I got a flight, man. Quick question. Who do you eat for?
What?
Who do you eat for?
What me eat for?
Who are you eating for? Kamile?
Yeah.
You see that? That means you're amateur. I eat for me. Have a good day.
Yo, Dan, get out of here. You stupid ass. Yo, Dan, man, this, you're the animal. Dan, you make man this, up. Dan, Jesus, yo, Dan, me top power with you, man. You bumper ass, Yo, Dan, me top power. Yo, Dan, I fuck with that, man, you. Dan, man, man, this,
what you say?
The man say, you say your name for Kamile. The man say your name for himself. You know your man say, the man say you do it because of Kamile why you do it. The man say I do it because he like it.
Him say if me and name me or me and name Kamile.
No! The man say, who are you eating for? I say Kamile.
I don't know
you know what I got top power with you do. You know me I got top power with you do.
I never that man say, if me and name me or me and name Kamile.
The man say, who are you eating for?
No, because me love the pussy. I take a pussy, give me
Yo.
Last night, I couldn't even wait till Kamile.
Hold on. And the mother say, man, right. You lose. Me a top par with you. You me a top par with you. Me a top par with you now.
And what man say?
The man say, who are you eating for? You chat too much. That's why you not listen. I see him say, we go for a shootout. You chat out the blood class shootout and the man shoot me. And you know, here, so me get shoot and me a ball help. You see it? Me I tell you, say, listen when man a talk. African now go talk loud. A man never talk loud. Listen when man I say, me I tell you, did it. Come in, love me and, oh, where? The man say, who you eat for? Call him back and this him back. What you do? Me there say help you, this him back.
I can't take that as a disc. I never know where I say still. So.
You what? Me can't help you, gang him, you know.
Well, on it.
Yeah, man, add him back, man. Add him back. Bad man buck lad. Thinking about gang. Add him back. Pretty than man, pretty than man, this is any live dog. Pretty than man, this is any live dog. The man say, yo, who you eat for? And the man say, you say Kamile. The man say, I eat for himself. Yo, dog.
Brother, the man say, oh, me I eat. Me.
Pretty than this him back. See how that trouble tell us if this him back there. She trouble tell us if this him back.
Oh, me on this him back.
Yo.
So what are they? African have real wood and them pussy, sir? No, sir. That can't something wrong then. It look like they probably would lazy or sitting. Cause me now have cocky real long blood clot wood and them pussy, sir. I can't that he ask me say he's a fool. Call back Dirty Prince.
Pretty than you have to diss him. No, pretty than.
No, I can't that he marks me say, cause remember say me a one lesbian, you know, me post one damn pussy, you know.
Pretty than.
Eh?
The man this in front of 5,145 people. 5,145 people. I suppose at the night when everybody left and they work. Out of more.
So you mean to tell me say Africa night near pussy more than lesbian?
Brother, me a try to hear man ask you who you eating for. You talk about Kamile. He man say man I'm peace safe and cut his head. Pretty than. It's like man. Pretty than. Me tell you what go on. Pretty than you see you watch Lifetime. You see you watch Lifetime. You see it? You say you watch Lifetime, don't? You know them show there? When a man kill himself, you know when a man kill you, and then just slashing throat, can mean say now go jail. That man just there, dog. Add him back. Add him back.
Me not see me not in
the dirty lava you over here, we tell you to come for live lava, you idiot, no shiny dolly fucker. Me not rate you. Yo, add him back. Add him back. Pretty down. Yo, pretty down. Yo, I go for me phone, I call him.
Me have it.